Hi kings and queens, and welcome back to your not so regularly scheduled program, Days with Hayes. We love you. You're an icon. Thank you everybody, and welcome. Happy to have you. Okay, everybody now, please be seated, They're crazy. I love you guys. And now back to serious matters. You know why you're here. You know. It's because you want to watch me dye my hair. And that we are going to do. I am going to dye my hair pink. Because pink is a color of power and feminism and high vibrational energy. I've already made a couple videos on TikTok of me dyeing my hair. I dyed it purple and then I dyed it blue. And that looked really good. But I just feel like blue does not suit me. You know, like cool tones, they kind of just make me look drained and lifeless. And I do not like that. I was originally planning on dyeing my hair orange, like a Hayley Williams orange. My boyfriend's niece kept telling me, stop dyeing your hair. And I was like, I don't want to stop dyeing my hair. I like dyeing my hair. And she was like, okay, well stop. She's also like 5, by the way. I was like, okay, so like, what if I let you choose the color? Then will you be satisfied and stop telling me to dye my hair? And she was like, yes, dye it pink. So this is what we have. Manic panic. I'm kind of nervous. I don't have the best of luck with choosing colored hair dye. I don't know why, but the things I choose wash out in 2 seconds. Do you guys want to see something cute? It's my little propagation. But look, her roots are thriving. She is one happy girl. I'm totally procrastinating bleaching my hair because I hate it. I just don't feel like doing this, but I want to do it because I don't like when my hair doesn't look good. Like, this faded look is making me feel bad about myself. So like, we need to fix this, okay? First things, let's take off the beanie. I have like a decent amount of my hair bleached. Well, not really. I don't know, just underneath. I don't know. I feel like it's not enough color, so this isn't giving what it needs to give, you know? I just need a pop of color. Okay, I guess it's time. There's no more procrastinating. We just gotta get to it. Believe and you will achieve. As you can see, this is used because I used it. I have ADHD, so I forgot this was dirty. I was like, oh, I'll wipe that off. Out of sight, out of mind. I did not clean it. This is what I'm using. It's Blonde Brilliance powder lightener. And then I'm going to be pairing it with the developer. Who guessed that? Who guessed that, you little smarty pants? And next I got Manic Panic in Cotton Candy Pink. Isn't she beautiful? I would say like barely any of my hair is colored because I have so much hair. One second, I'm gonna part this and I'll be right back. Well, party. Let me clean this because it's making a mess. I don't like messes. That literally took 7 years to part. What I did was I separated the hair that is already bleached because if I bleach that girl one more time, it's going to fall off. The bottom section is braided and bobby pinned to my head. Bro, Lilo, get off my pillow. She always is laying on my pillow. I should be stepping on dog poop and then stepping on my pillow? Dog audacity. As I was saying, I sectioned the bottom and then I pinned it to my head. And then I'm really not bleaching that much hair now that I'm looking at it. They're kind of small sections on both sides, but that just means less work for me. After I bleach and color my hair, I'm gonna cut it a little shorter. I don't know, it's maybe like an inch or 2, probably 2 inches. This is the 35 volume developer and I'm adding this to the powdered lightener. I've been bleaching my hair for like years, so I kind of just know how much to add. You gotta make it into a paste. It can't be too liquidy and it can't be too dry. That's what she said. That is what she said. Look, that's like pretty perfect for like my first pour. I thought I was gonna either have to add more powder or add more developer, but no. I slayed. Okay, I'm gonna have to add a little bit of this. I kinda slayed. Gotta show you guys, because I know you wanna see it. I know you wanna see it. I don't have any foil, which is devastating, but I have tissues, and I think that will work just as well. Let's get to the bleaching. Are you guys as excited as I am? Because you better be, because you should be. I'm scared. This is so exciting. I'm gonna feel so good about myself. This Polar Pop is the size of my head. I asked my brother for the soda and he said, oh, I'll give you soda. It's Cherry Coke Zero, in case you're wondering, and it tastes delicious. I know it's probably weird that I use tissues, but the only reason I freaking love Takis. I'm not trying to wrap the hair. I'm trying to just keep the hair from touching the hair underneath, so it doesn't bleach the hair underneath, okay? It's the only thing, it's just a barrier. Okay, that's it. So good. The crunch on these things. Can't beat it. I'm like wondering if I have to bleach it a second time. I don't want to, but I will if I have to. So as you can see, it's blonde, but it's not blonde enough. We're gonna have to bleach it again. I ain't wasting any more time. I'm already tired of this. Hello again. It is another day, and my hair is very blonde, and I'm pretty satisfied. So this is going to be pretty easy today. I didn't record myself bleaching my roots because I got help from my mom. I kind of feel like some sections are still a little too yellow, like this one, but I don't want to bleach my hair again. I'm tired. I don't want to do it again. I'm just gonna play with my odds and go for the pink. I gotta separate the blonde now from the brown because I'm only dyeing the blonde, so give me a second. This is the best that it's gonna get. I'm so excited! Oh, that came out really easily. Based off of the hair that I've already put dye on, I do not think this is gonna come out pink, like vibrant pink. It's probably gonna tone the hair. Like, it doesn't seem to actually be full on dyeing the hair. The pink didn't work. So I had to go to Sally's Beauty and I got Lime Crime Unicorn Hair in Sour Candy. Okay, so I have the pink hair dye applied and this one looks a lot more promising. It is so pink, so crossing my fingers that when I wash it out, it looks good. I'm gonna let this sit for like 30 minutes and I'll wash it out. I will see you guys with my freshly pink hair. I am so obsessed and in love with this hair. I don't even know who I am. I love the color pink. When I was a little girl, I hated the color pink because it was girly and I was tomboy, so I was like, ew, I'm not girly. I just need to accept the fact that I love pink. Here's a full 360 of my hair. Do you love it? I'm obsessed. I love it so much. before I forget to say, in addition to the hair dye that I used, I also did apply the Punky Color 3-in-1 color depositing shampoo and conditioner from Sally's Beauty, and I think that's actually the main reasoning as to why my hair is so vibrant. So if you're looking to get the same color that I have right now, I would suggest getting that leave-in conditioner because that really did make the difference. Thank you guys so much for following my hair journey. I'm sure it's not too long before I do get tired of the pink and end up dyeing it a different color. I think next time I kind of want to do like a split dye moment, so that would be fun. If you guys did enjoy this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I appreciate you so much for watching. Bye! Love ya!